Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony with Ant's Drone, and let's talk about this new DJI coverage. So DJI is now going to be covering flyaways. And really quick before we get started, if you're a YouTuber and you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, definitely check out TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an awesome platform that will help you grow your YouTube channel quickly. If you're interested to know more about TubeBuddy, definitely check out my link in the description below. So you know how you can purchase DJI Care? Well, now you can purchase Flyaway Care, I guess, if that's what we're gonna call it. Let's call it Flyaway Care, I guess. So yeah. If your Mini 2 or your DJI Mavic Air 2 decide to just stop communicating with the remote and take off and fly somewhere where it just flies away, you can now get coverage for that. So let's read into this article, of course, from Drone XL, the great Drone XL. I absolutely love this website. It's where I get all my drone news. So let's get into this article a little bit. It says right here, DJI flyaway coverage for Mavic Air 2 and Mini 2 drones. To cover yourself and get DJI's new flyaway protection, you'll have to pay $399 for the Mavic Air 2 and $225 for the Mini 2 on top of the $80 for the Mavic Air 2 or $50 for the Mini 2 that you would pay for the basic DJI Care Refresh extended warranty program. Whoa! Whoa. You have to pay $399 for the Mavic Air 2 or $225. Mind you, this is on top of the price of the drones. Like, what? You have to pay nearly half of the price of the Mini 2 for flyaway coverage? Okay. The warranty program allows you to have your drone replaced twice per year for $50 each. So not only are they charging you $399 for the Air 2 or $225 for the Mini 2 just for the coverage, but you also have to pay a deductible of $50 each time it flies away. The flyaway protection only covers you for one event per year, which, mind you, I've flown drones for over 5 years now and I've never had a flyaway, but I'm just saying, like, that's crazy. Alternatively, you can sign up for a more expensive 2-year plan that will cover up to 3 drone accidents in 2 flyaways. Okay, so let's talk about, what I think about this, because this is just crazy. Actually, right here in the article, it says Drone XL's take. Let's see what they say, then I'll share my opinion. The flyaway protection seems rather expensive in my opinion, especially when you consider how good DJI OcuSync 2.0 really is. Both the Mavic Air 2 and the Mini 2 use OcuSync 2.0. In all the time that I have flown DJI drones that come with OcuSync 2.0, I have yet to experience a flyaway. So, yeah, that's basically what I just said. Like, I have flown DJI drones for 6 years now. 2015 was when I got my first DJI drone. It was a DJI Phantom FC40. Like, literally one of the worst DJI drones ever made. I never, ever dealt with a flyaway situation ever. I actually really trust my drone, but I also keep my drone in visual line of sight, which is the law, and I feel more comfortable doing that because, like, my main drone is my DJI Mavic 2 Pro. That drone was $2,000. So I am not going to fly $2,000 out of my line of sight. Like, that's just me. Some people might feel like they can do that, like they can trust their drone. I don't trust my drone like that, so I don't know. I mean, flyaways can happen whether you keep it in your line of sight or not, but this coverage seems to me like if you're a person that is pushing it and is flying like way out of visual line of sight, and you can probably risk losing your drone if you do that, because if you're flying it that far away, then you might lose connection. But like this article said, OcuSync 2.0 is so good that it's really hard to lose the connection with the drone. So I think that this is a little too much. Definitely DJI is pushing it with that price. I don't really see many people getting it, to be honest. We've survived this long without it, so I'm good. I'm never gonna get that for my drones. If my drone flies away, it would be a really rare situation, and in that case, like, I have insurance on my drone, so like I'm not concerned. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this. I think it's a little crazy, and definitely pushing it. Anyway, guys, if you like today's video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That is all for today. I'm out.